the flickability, handling, and suspension. So you can change directions, flick it this way to that way, so fast and easy. Feels great. 2, shifting. Shift super smooth. You can hold it wide open down the straightaway, and it shifts. I mean, just right through the gears like butter. 3, the hydraulic clutch, the Nissan clutch. Smooth, but a linear feel, a more linear feel than the Brembo. I think I like it more. 4, doesn't seem to run near as hot as the 450. You can make some mistakes on the trails, or be going a little slower on the track, and you don't feel like the bike is boiling from underneath you. The bike, it feels super narrow right here at your legs. So I feel like I can put my knees right there and hold it. It doesn't, and then it flares out all at once at the radiator. Where some other bikes off-road feel like a more gradual. I like how this one's skinny here, then flares out.